ऐसा बाला अच्छा तो बोला şuna da sarıp koyarsan mazida işte baş. Stelki putika zehla tema prevša. Fule ki आवाज वड़का Rašuno uči če da zmara na stelki hlas. Whistling oka.
Ne kişi sen?
Ne kişi ya?
Oh.
Patient is known case of Bell's palsy, right-sided lower motor neuron palsy. He cannot whistle, and there is deviation of the angle of mouth to the left. Can't close his right eye completely. However, there is furrowing of the wrinkles of the forehead bilaterally present, and the external auditory meatus on both sides. There is no vesicles, so it's a pure lower motor neuron right-sided facial nerve palsy, which we call it Bell's palsy. No any other stigmata, is not diabetic, not hypertensive, and all it happened 3 days back. Thank you very much.